Welcome back to the course on content marketing. In this lecture, we will be discussing the concepts of gap analysis and their importance in content marketing. Now that we've covered what a content audit is and how to conduct one, let's move on to the concept of a gap analysis. A gap analysis is a process of identifying the gap between the current state of your content marketing and your desired state and determining the steps needed to bridge that gap. It helps you understand where you are currently in terms of your content marketing efforts and where you want to be, and identifies the steps you need to take to get there. The purpose of a gap analysis is to identify any areas where your content marketing efforts are falling short and to develop a plan to address those gaps. It is an important tool for improving the effectiveness of your content marketing strategy and ensuring that you are meeting your goals. Are you struggling to create content that stands out from the competition? Do you want to improve your search engine rankings and increase engagement with your audience? Conducting a gap analysis in content marketing can help you achieve these goals. The first benefit of a gap analysis is that it helps you identify content gaps. Secondly, improve search engine rankings. Thirdly, stand out from the competition. Fourthly, inform your content marketing strategy. Lastly, a gap analysis can help you stay relevant and up to date. The primary benefit of a gap analysis is that it helps you to identify gaps in your content compared to your competitors. This information can help you to focus on creating content that fills these gaps, improving the overall user experience and increasing engagement. By identifying content gaps, you can create content that is optimized for search engines, improving your search engine rankings, and making it easier for users to find your website when searching for relevant information. By filling content gaps and creating unique, high-quality content, you can differentiate yourself from your competitors and stand out in the market. This can help you to attract and retain customers, increase engagement, and improve conversions. A gap analysis can also help you to inform your content marketing strategy by providing you with insights into what your competitors are doing, what is working well for them, and where they are lacking. This information can help you to create a content marketing strategy that is more effective and focused on meeting the needs and interests of your target audience. Finally, a gap analysis can help you to stay relevant and up to date in a rapidly changing market by identifying areas where your content is outdated or no longer relevant. This information can help you to create new content that is more current and relevant to your target audience, improving engagement and conversions. Conducting a gap analysis in content marketing is a process that involves comparing your content to your competitors' content to identify areas where you may be lacking. Here are the steps for conducting a gap analysis. 1. Identify your competitors. 2. Evaluate your competitors' content. 3. Identify content gaps. 4. Determine your unique value proposition. 5. Create a content plan. 6. Monitor and measure your results. The first step in conducting a gap analysis is to identify your competitors. This could include websites, blogs, or social media profiles that are in your industry or targeting the same audience as you. Next, evaluate your competitors' content, including the topics they cover, the format of their content, such as blog posts, videos, and infographics, and their tone and style. You can use a spreadsheet or gap analysis tool to keep track of your findings and compare them to your own content. Based on your evaluation, identify areas where your content is lacking compared to your competitors, such as topics that are not covered, formats that are not used, or areas where the competition has more in-depth or engaging content. While it's important to identify areas where you may be lacking, it's also important to determine what sets your content apart from your competitors. This could include your unique perspective, expertise, or approach to content creation. Based on your findings, create a content plan that focuses on filling content gaps and highlighting your unique value proposition. This could include creating new content, updating existing content, or repurposing content in a new format. Finally, it's important to monitor and measure the results of your gap analysis, including tracking metrics such as website traffic, engagement, and conversion rates. This information can help you to make informed decisions about your content marketing strategy and measure the success of your gap analysis. The results of a content audit and gap analysis can provide a wealth of information that can be used to inform and improve your content marketing strategy. Here are some specific uses for the results of a content audit and gap analysis. 1. Refining your target audience. 2. Improving content relevance. 3. Determining your unique value proposition. 4. Identifying popular topics and formats. 5. Improving your content creation process. 6. Measuring the effectiveness of your content marketing strategy. First, refining your target audience. The results of your content audit and gap analysis can help you refine your understanding of your target audience, including their interests, needs, and pain points. This information can be used to create content that is more relevant and valuable to your target audience, improving engagement and conversion rates. Next, improving content relevance. By comparing your content to that of your competitors, you can identify areas where your content is lacking compared to theirs. This information can be used to improve the relevance of your content, making sure it meets the needs and interests of your target audience and fills content gaps. Next, it helps in determining your unique value proposition. The results of your gap analysis can help you determine what sets your content apart from your competitors, including your unique perspective, expertise, or approach to content creation. By focusing on your unique value proposition, you can create content that is more engaging and valuable to your target audience. Another thing is identifying popular topics and formats. The results of your content audit can help you identify the topics and formats that are most popular with your target audience. This information can be used to create content that is more likely to be shared, engaged with, and drive traffic to your website. And you can use it in improving your content creation process. The results of your content audit can help you identify areas where your content creation process may be lacking, including areas where your content is outdated, poorly written, or not optimized for search engines. By improving your content creation process, you can create content that is more effective and efficient. Finally, measure the effectiveness of your content marketing strategy. By monitoring and measuring the results of your content marketing strategy, including website traffic, engagement, and conversion rates, you can determine which aspects of your strategy are working well and which areas need improvement. This information can be used to refine your strategy over time, ensuring it remains effective and focused on meeting the needs of your target audience.